Yeah, Sue, my name is Georgios. Welcome to Greece, the birthplace of myths and legendary flavors. Today, Becca is making the Greek milk pie. Galatopita, a creamy and delicious recipe that dates back to the 18th century.
And I am Becker. Join me today in another culinary adventure. Galatopita is a simple, crustless Greek custard pie using very simple ingredients. We need fresh milk, granulated sugar, butter, cornstarch, eggs, lemon, and semolina, which we shall talk more about later. Here are the rest of the ingredients. This recipe is made with semolina. Now, it is important to use fine semolina and not coarse semolina. But what if you cannot find it in your part of the world? Let's ask Georgios.
If fine Greek semolina is not available in your country, you can use Italian double-milled durum wheat semolina. This will give the same result.
Now, first things first. Line and butter a 7-inch springform baking pan. Sprinkle a thin layer of semolina at the bottom. Set aside. In a bowl, combine semolina, cornstarch, zest of 1 lemon, vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Whisk very well until completely smooth.
If you enjoy our video, please tap the like button. Drop a comment if you have any question. Share our video. Also subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell so we can keep cooking together.
In a saucepan in low-medium heat, add sugar with a pinch of salt and milk. Keep stirring until sugar completely dissolves and the mixture is steaming but not boiling. Slowly ladle the warm milk into the semolina mixture. Whisk constantly to temper. Return the mixture into the saucepan. Cook in low heat. Constantly stir until the mixture thickens into a smooth custard. Remove from heat and add butter. Whisk until fully incorporated. Let the custard cool for about 5 minutes. Before pouring into the springform baking pan, tap gently to remove air bubbles. Brush with the top coating of egg, water, and sugar combination. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Now, it is super important to let it cool and be completely firm before detaching from the pan, otherwise it might break. Before serving, dust with a combination of powdered sugar and cinnamon powder. And there you have it, my dear friends, the Greek milk pie Galatopita. It's great to have you here. See you again next week.
Watching and cooking along helps this channel. But if you'd like to do a little more, support us with Buy Me a Coffee. We would appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Check out other recipes and plushy videos right here.